Now let me explain about the urea formaldehyde resin, which is another type of resin that is used in the acid curing type of paints, as in the case of tabletop coat clear, which is applicable on wood. So these are incorporated, such type of resins are incorporated in wooden finishes. Now urea. So first of all, let me explain about urea. Of course, this was used as a fertilizer, and here NH2 CO NH2. In fact, this is the first man-made organic compound, NH2 CO, and this can also be written like this: C double bond O NH2 NH2. So this is urea. And formaldehyde, I already discussed, HCHO. That is C double bond O H. So this is called formaldehyde. So by combining these two, we can have urea formaldehyde, and that takes place in presence of acid. So here let us consider the urea, NH2 C double bond O, and you can simply write NH2. Now that combines with formaldehyde. So formaldehyde can be written as simply CH2 double bond O also. Now in presence of acid, that is, acid is represented by H plus here. So in acidic condition, it forms CH2, okay, and this O belongs to these 2 moles of urea. You can take another urea molecule also, NH2 CO NH2. Okay. Now what happens is, from here one hydrogen, it will combine with this oxygen, and another hydrogen from this. Okay, so it forms CH2, and on one end you have NHCO NH2. On the other hand you have NHCO NH2. Okay, so this is known as actually bisamide. Okay, this is further developed as what? Actually, water is removed here, and that is why it is a condensation reaction. As I already mentioned, condensation is nothing but the reaction accompanied by the release of neutral molecule. Okay, so it forms such type of combinations, and finally you will get a polymer, and that is urea formaldehyde resin. So just I wanted to give the basic chemistry of these 2 important types of amino resin or nitrogen based resin. So let me summarize. We have discussed 2 type of nitrogen based resin. One is butylated melamine formaldehyde resin, another is urea formaldehyde resin. Please understand, this BMF is combined with short oil alkyd, okay, that results what? Is stowing enamel, stowing alkyd enamel. Excuse me. And you have urea formaldehyde. Here it is also combined with short oil alkyd plus BMF, not BMF, UF, and this is available as a 2-pack. So high acid is added to get the that is acid cured UF alkyd paint, mainly meant for wooden finishes. And here you can have another type. One is this one, another is thermosetting acrylic resin, where acrylic resin is combined with BMF to give thermosetting acrylic resin. So in both the cases, the temperature is maintained. In this case, it should be heated so that it will be cured and it forms a cross-linked product. And stowing enamel, so here it will be around 120 degree centigrade and kept for 30 minutes. But in the case of thermosetting acrylic, normally 150 degree is maintained for 15 to 30 degrees centigrade, 15 to 30, 150 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes, 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I have a rough idea about the usage of melamine formaldehyde in stowing system and acid cure system where urea formaldehyde is used.